Hi, my name is Shakil Hussain. Today I'm going to show you how you will use AnyDesk on your Windows. AnyDesk basically used for remotely connect. So when your computer has AnyDesk and if you share your ID with other person, then you will he or she will able to access your computer using your AnyDesk ID. So let's start using AnyDesk. So first you need to just visit this link AnyDesk and download for Windows. I will share this link in the description, so please check it and go to for the Windows version. If you're using Windows, you can also download for Mac OS, Android, iOS, Linux, so all kind of OS is here available. So just select for Windows, press the download button, wait a little, and you see the AnyDesk exe. I'm going to save it on my desktop, so press save, select your folder. Okay, it's downloaded. I'm going to open this, show on a folder. This is my AnyDesk. I'm going to right click on it and press run as administrator. It will ask you for the permission. When you will active any exe file, your Windows definitely ask for your permission. I'm going to allow. Also you need to allow this because it's essential to active or install the software. Okay, you see, so it's very easy. Already my AnyDesk is installed on my computer. So if I'm going to share this ID with my friend or anyone other, he or she will be able access to my computer using this ID.